Last hit was in May of 2011. Rick Porcello had a double. And how about that? We'll break that string. Right back up the middle. Doug Fister says 0 for 29 no longer.
That's
It's 3-1.
Big hit right there. He took the first pitch and he swung at it and he missed it. It was 89. That one he didn't miss, and he's got some pretty good balance, and Fister can handle himself in that batter's box.
And Rick Porcello says that's how you do it. Justin Verlander's still looking for his first major league hit.